Yo, what's up, guys? It's Nick with Raw Day Trading. Let me fix my hair real quick. It's not fixable at the moment. Probably need some product in it. Whatever. Anyways, we had a pretty mellow day today. I only traded one stock for the most part, and that was CRKN. And let me not do that. Get this out of the way. Yeah, CRKN. The only thing that looked mildly interesting to me, it did a little consolidation here in the open, and I did my best through this range as I started seeing that it was going to take the action for the most part. I did not play this as hard as I could have. I did not play this super aggressively. It was smaller size, smaller trades, like just percent wise of what I was taking. And mostly I just did not like the gap scan. And recently I've been working on just responding, sizing, and trade confidence to the market conditions, and working on like really tuning in appropriately. I could have traded this a lot more aggressively. And I would have done okay, but I just wanted to make sure that I was working on getting better at responding to stuff. And by the time I got comfortable on it, it seemed to have ended its kind of run, which was over here. Didn't even make that much of a run. I thought it was going to go up to 2. I was starting to get aggressive here in this area. I think there was one trade I had, or a couple trades I had 4,000 shares on. Let me just see. I took so many trades on it that I don't know where this stuff is. Yeah. But Kraken was the one today that provided me the most opportunity. The 5-minute setup started looking okay around here, and I was trying to size in for something where it just starts ripping. And I was looking for 1.8. It gave me 175-ish, and then it failed. I think this was one of the last trades I took over here. I was up 400 for a little bit, then down to 380. It's fine. It's an okay day. Nothing to write home about, but it is a day that I am green, and I am grateful for being able to do this. And that's all. So that was only 1,000 shares. Yeah, it started breaking the trend line. I wasn't quite sure on it. But then once it started to look like it was going to make a 5-minute setup and run here, this 5-minute chart is not the best. But since it was the only thing that I really liked during the day, maybe DJT was going. But the only thing I liked during the day, I thought other traders might pile into it there, kind of pushing it up towards the $2 area, like the above the 80s, maybe 85 or so. It did have this red candle here that kind of blocked it off from getting a little bit more action, and then blocked it off in the way that I think buyers were just like, wow, that was a heavy rejection. In fact, we could probably watch that right now after this trade. So I bounce in here, I get a little bit of action, I unload a little bit, and then I unload the other one. And then I'll take one more trade as it falls apart right here. But it was running into a significant level. I forgot what it was on the daily. I don't have my screen open. I'm not going to open it up at the moment. It starts coming off this high, and it's in such a precarious position that I was very cautious with it after this. I'm trying to wait till it falls apart, but I don't want to do too long here. Let me get this last trade on the screen. 175 is a great level for psychological resistance there. It just keeps falling apart there. I didn't even want to. I could have probably taken a dip trade right there. Would have been okay. But, it's at that point you're looking at that's just a big flush. I'm not super good at those. You gotta. I have no comment on playing those. For the record, also day trading is risky and dangerous for your money. So let's look at here. Take a look at how this played out. And what can happen to your cash. So it's sort of making a pattern here, but it's also a very just high volume consolidation zone at this point. Pops up to 85. I feel like it popped up relatively quick too for how it was moving. Yeah, so that was just like a flash higher. I could put a tester in there, and then it starts hesitating, and I take it out for a small win, for a 1 penny win. Take another shot there, and I cut it immediately. I might have been the person that influenced that stock at the highs, but it's okay. I'd rather be that than I took a trade on that dip. However, that was a dangerous dip to take a trade on. It's costly. I think I knew that too. That's why I unloaded so quickly. Yeah, it was reversing pretty hard there, and yeah. Yep. And then that was pretty much the day. DJT did a little running here, and I don't have much comment on that because I did not trade it, or at least trade it well. I just traded with 100 shares one time, and I was trying to test the action, see if I can understand it, and it didn't seem to be super easy for me to understand to where I wanted to risk any amount of money on it. I just wasn't comfortable with that size. And I had other stuff to do. So that's my day today. Peace out, guys. Hope you have a great day. Day trading's risky. I'm not your investment advisor. Go talk to your investment advisor. My results are not typical. Most people lose money day trading. Blah, 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 blah. All right. Peace out, guys.